The banana peel lesson. One sunny afternoon, little Ali was playing in the park with his friends. After running and laughing, he felt hungry. His mother had packed his favorite snack, a big yellow banana. Ali quickly peeled the banana and took big bites. When he finished, he looked around. There was no trash can nearby. Where should I throw this peel? He thought. Just then he noticed a clean corner of the park. No one will see if I dropped it here. He said to himself. The peel landed on the ground. As Ali returned to leave, his friend Yusuf saw him. Ali, wait, Yusuf called. Is that your banana peel on the ground? Ali's face turned red. Oh, yes, but I couldn't find a trash can, he mumbled. Yusuf smiled kindly. Remember what our teacher said. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to keep our surrounding clean. He said, removing harmful things from the road is an act of charity. Ali felt guilty. He picked up the peel and held it in his hand. You are right, Yusuf. I will throw it properly. Just then, an old man walking by almost slipped on another banana peel. Oh no, Ali gasped. He ran and picked up that peel too. The old man smiled. Thank you, young man. You saved me from a nasty fall. Ali felt happy but also a little ashamed. If I had left my peel, someone could have gotten hurt. He realized from that day on, Ali always ate carefully and thanked Allah for his food. Threw trash in the bin even he had to walk far. Remind others to keep place clean. Moral of the story? In Islam, good manners, including how we eat and how we treat our word. A true Muslim is clean, kind, and responsible. Even is a small thing. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.